In today's fast moving world, many of us are breathing but not fully alive. We are moving but not truly connected, thinking constantly yet feeling disconnected from ourselves. What if healing was not something that you had to search for outside, but something that naturally happens when your body, breath and awareness move together? What if the balance was not a destination, but a state you could return to every single day? Welcome to Deeper Way of Living. Welcome to Shinsei Taiso Do. I'm Dr. John, the founder of Shinsei Taiso Do. It's an integrated healing art born from years of deep research, observation and real life experience across cultures and traditions. I created Shinsei Taiso Do as a bridge, connecting the ancient wisdom of Eastern philosophies and healing movements with the modern understanding of psychology and neuroscience. This art invites you to return to the natural rhythm of life, to move with awareness, to breathe with presence, and to exist in harmony with your own body and the universe around you. Then let's check what is Shinsei Taiso Do. The word Shinsei means it means sacred, or we can say pure, or a divine nature. We use the word Shinsei. Then Taiso means body movement or exercise. Then the Do means the way or the path. So together we can say Shinsei Taiso Do becomes the path of sacred exercise and deeper healing. This is not just another healing technique. It is a way of life, or it's a way of living. A gentle yet powerful art that harmonizes your physical body, emotional flow, mental clarity and spiritual energy into one living experience. Shinsei Taiso Do rooted in the timeless philosophy of the 5 elements. These are the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air and space. These are not poetical ideas. They are living energies within you, shaping how you move, how you feel, how you think and experience life. Let's talk about these 5 elements a little bit. The earth element, it starts with the earth element. The earth element represents stability, grounding and strength. It governs your bones, muscles and your sense of security in life. When the element of earth is balanced in your body, you feel centered, confident and present, standing strong in both body and mind. Then next element is water element. The water element flows through your emotions and circulation. It teaches flexibility, adaptability and healing through release. When water flows freely, you experience ease, emotional balance, acceptance and compassion. These are the qualities of water element. The next, fire element. The fire element is the force of transformation and vitality. It fuels digestion, metabolism, willpower and purpose. When fire element is balanced, you feel motivated, inspired, creative, and alive. Then air element. In the air element, it is the bridge between body and mind. It governs breath, the nervous system, and the movement of thoughts. So when air element is in harmony, your communication becomes clear, your thoughts settle, and awareness naturally expands. These are the qualities of a strong air element in your body. Then if you talk about space element, the space element, the subtle field that holds everything together, that is happening in the space. The same thing happens in our body in a subtle level. It holds everything together. It is the silence behind every movement, the awareness in which all experience arise. When you connect with space, you connect with the infinite nature of consciousness itself. These are the characteristics of space element. Remember, in every Shinsei Taiso Do practice, whether it is a flowing movement or a breathing pattern or a meditative posture, you are awakening and aligning these elements within you. Let me just give you a quick explanation or a statement for this. Earth gives stability, water gives flow, the fire gives direction, and air gives freedom, and space gives peace. These are the brilliant qualities of these 5 elements. This balance transforms not only your body, but your thoughts, emotions, and the subtle energy field, creating natural health, clarity, resilience, and inner freedom. Through years of research across Eastern healing systems, including yoga, Reiki, and traditional Chinese medicines, and even Japanese martial arts, one truth became clear. When body, breath, and awareness move together, healing happens naturally. I just want to repeat again. When body, breath, your awareness move together, healing happens naturally. This is the essence of Shinsei Taiso Do, healing through movement, breath, and awareness. So I invite you to experience this journey. Join our free Shinsei learning circles, we call it as Shinsei Circle, or begin your transformations through practitioner level 1 and level 2 training. So together we are creating a global movement of awareness and healing, where people from every culture can learn, practice, and even establish their own Shinsei Taiso Do movements worldwide. So step into the flow, discover balance within your body, stillness within your breath, and light within your spirit. This is the path of Shinsei Taiso Do, the way of a natural harmony, inner freedom, and an awakened life.